Aso-aso, mga mari pare. Aso-aso to ang native chicken. Tambok.
Okay mo, kinimay ito ihan.
Kana lihawon eh.
Ang hub ka niya ito.
Kana lang, nabaw na tagdakop ana.
So na balhog na ko nga ito niya. Katumay ko ihan.
Sige ikaw bala. Parang mauro manggod na agad. Hindi. Ready na ini tubig ko.
Asa may sauranan mo ko ani?
Hindi tubig, ready na.
Sauranan mo kasi dugo. Kini ba?
Kahumot sa manok Bisaya. Sa malamig na panahon, bugnak ay panahon, mga mari pare. Nga untag dinataan nga native chicken. Lamig jud kayo mga mari pare oh. Sus kalami isa sabaw ani. Native chicken. Nindot jud kayo no nga natay mga binuhi sa atong backyard. Ay kung gusto nato magluto, maglitson ba karon, mag-adobo, magsabaw, nani, like ani. So makasudan na tayo kung wala tayo sudan, so narat tayo karaganan no. Di na takanalan mo atong market para mangita pag mga sudan nun. So manakop na lang ta sa ato ang backyard. That's it.
The answers anyway.
Wala ko That's it nga unta mga maripa.
You can't prove me cross-game to invested and you can't prove it and contact me sometime. Enough. Agent Park, take Mr. LaCroix to interrogation to give him 2 minutes with this client. No more, understood? Thank you. I'll leave you folks to the monster's house. What do you say? The habit is right. I warned you we didn't have enough of that confession. Then we will cut this. What do you want to do, Donald? Charge him and then what? Watch our case just fall apart? No. We're going to do this with you once and we make it stick. Yes. We're just going to go walk out of here. Everyone was right. It's cold. Yours here. Took you long enough. Let's see. I'd rather not. I have a feeling we won't be staying here much longer. They're releasing. Okay, my car's outside. I'll explain when we get back to my office. Looking down on empty streets, all she can see are dreams all make sense. Dreams made. All of the buildings and all of the guys. That's it. This job can be confusing. I've lost plenty of times before, but I don't know those guys are. Let's get a wiretap warrant. Close phone. I'll ask around on the see if anyone knows who's calling. Bad news. It's not over yet. What? Came in, know what to do. Reginald Cole. Police detective. Now lawyers aren't too. I want them to see it. That's a morning in transit. Don't you know where they're going? Yeah, 75 minutes. The FBI already took anything useful. The FBI has no idea what's useful to me. Maybe we'll find a shooter. I don't know. There's another one out there. With a guy on a motorcycle. Looking bikes and pieces like that. Shell casings through dead ends. Shooter could be in anywhere. All we can do it. Well, okay, well, they said that these guys were live travel to keep you from finding them. Seems to me that just the easier to take you out. They need a solution or something special. Could be they have you. Or it could be all three. This is something. What is this? This is an item that definitely should not be in the possession of a former NYPD officer. What is it? It's a key to a vault that's inside.